Hey there, and welcome to the video demo of MadKudu for Google Sheets, our product designed to enable you to score your leads from directly within Google Sheets. My name is Clément, and I'm a software engineer here at MadKudu. Before jumping into the product itself, I'm just going to describe a quick use case for you. Let's imagine that you've just received a large prospection file from a future event. This file could consist of potentially thousands of leads, and you'd like to know how to prioritize each of these leads, to know how much time you should spend with each of them during the event, let's say. Well, we can copy paste the list of leads into a spreadsheet and then get to work on the add-on. So let's go to add-ons, get add-ons. We'll type MadKudu, install it. There we go. Select our account, allow. Let that process for a little bit. Now we can go to add-ons, select MadKudu, open it, and here we go. Great. So we've just landed here. Let's say we have no account yet. We click create an account. We are redirected to our client app website. We can create our account right here. Go. I am not a robot. Select some cars. Beautiful. Let's get started. We're redirected to our Google Sheets landing page. We can copy our API key right here to the clipboard, go back to the spreadsheet, and we're logged in right away. So now you have a bit of additional information. You have access to our documentation, a bit of information on the product itself, access to our website. Let's go to the next page. Great. So let's say we have a list of domains right here. We can select them all, click companies, and predict. Here we go. Now, as you can see, there's a list of headers right here that are inserted. Now, these represent your customer fit segment, your customer fit score, that's out of 100, and the customer fit signals, so additional information about the potential lead. So that works with domains. You can also do the same thing with people directly. So we'll select the list of emails, select persons, and predict again. By default, the free app uses a default model. If you'd like to tailor those to have more specific information on your leads and a more accurate score, you can do that by clicking here. Now, there we go, easy as that. We've scored all our leads in our sheet. As you can imagine, this add-on would work for plenty of other use cases. Great, thank you for your time, and I hope you have a nice day. See ya.